Most Dell products come with a warranty service contract as standard. The level and duration of your support is dependent on what was specified when your machine was purchased. You can check the warranty status of your machine in the Dell support page by entering your service tag in the search box. Here you can see your warranty type and the end date of your coverage. If your machine is out of warranty, there are steps you can take to still resolve an issue if you have one. One of which is purchasing extended warranty to keep your Dell system covered for faults for a longer period. Bear in mind, if your machine is currently experiencing a fault, you will not be able to extend your warranty until that issue is resolved. You can search for your issue in one of our support channels, such as our knowledge base articles, our YouTube support network, or contacting a member of our support staff for assistance. Alternatively, you can speak to other customers and system experts in our Dell community forums. Here you may find someone else has experienced your issue in the past and has already discovered a simple fix. If you fix your issue without having to replace hardware, you should be able to extend your warranty if it's applicable. Keep in mind, your extended warranty start date will start on the day your old policy ended. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy hints and tutorials. Thanks for watching.